guys, today we are going to present compound interest and annuity question. First, I would like to introduce my group member. First, we have AMIR AZRI, HERNANIE, Noraina Natasha, and UMMU. Firstly, we are going to talk about compound interest. Compound interest is calculated on the original or principal value and the accumulated as interest. Simple interest computation is based on the original principal, which does not change from time to time. But compound interest computation is based on the principal which changes from time to time. The principal value increases from time to time according to the compound interest rate. There are some important terms. 1. Original principal is the original amount invested denoted by P. 2. Interest period is the length of time in which interest is calculated. 3. Number of interest period in the investment period denoted by N equal MT, T in years. There are 3 formulas for this chapter. First, future value S equal P in bracket 1 plus I power N. Next, compound interest formula I equal S minus P. And last one is present value formula P equal S in bracket 1 plus I power negative N. Question 2A. Mariam deposit 5,300 into a saving account that earns 12% compound monthly. How long would it take for the investment to become 8,544 ringgit at this cent? So, this question highlights about how long would it take for investment. For answer this question, we need to apply formula future value, which is S equal P in bracket 1 plus I power N. But this question not given I. So, we need to find I by using S equal P in bracket 1 plus K over M power MT formula to address this question. However, in this situation, the question did not provide T. Thus, the key issue is that we must find T. Knowing that question did not include I, we will replace it with K over M. Next, put all numbers in correct places as now we have the formula. S is 8,544 and 80 cents equal to P 5,300 in bracket 1 plus 0.12 over 12 power 12t. Then, we need to calculate in bracket first. After that, we get the answer 8,544 and 80 cents equal to 5,300 in bracket 1.01 to the power of 12t. Then, you need to move 5,300 to the left and the result is 8,544 and 80 cents divided to 5,300. After we resolve it, we gain 1.6122 equal 1.01 power of 12t. We are going to put a log ahead 1.6122 and in front of 1.01 simply because we are going to cut out the power. Put log 1.01 on the left, which will be log 1.6122 over log 1.01. Settle that, then exchange it with T and 12 will be divided by the previous calculation. There you have it. The answer for T is 4 years.
Okay, next we go to the question 2B. The question given is UMAIRAH opened a saving account which offer an interest rate 4% compounded monthly with an initial deposit Rm4,000. 3 years later, she deposited another Rm1,000 into the same account. Determine the accumulated amount each year after the first saving and calculate the total interest earned. Okay, first of all, we should to identifying the question and list information from the question, which is P1 equal to 4000 and P2 equal to 1000. Okay, let's say N1 equal to 96 and N2 equal to 36 and M equal to 12 while K equal to 0.04 and the last one I equal to 1 over 300. Firstly, we need to find the S1 first which is based on formula S1 equal to P in bracket 1 plus I close the bracket square to N. Next, we substitute the formula with the number given, which S1 equal to 4000 in bracket 1 plus 1 over 300. Close the bracket, power 96. So, you will get the answer 5505.58. That is the answer for the S1. So, next, let's find the S2, which is the based on formula S2 equal to P in bracket 1 plus I close the bracket power to N and substitute the number given, that is S2 equal to 1000 in bracket 1 plus 1 over 300 power to 36 and you will get the answer 1127.27. After that, we need to find the accumulated amount between S1 plus S2. Okay, we back to the question, that is need to calculate the total interest earned. So the formula of total interest earned is I equal to S new minus P, which is 663.85 minus in bracket 4000 plus 1000 close the bracket. And the answer you will get the total interest earned, that is 163.85.
And the next chapter is annuity.
What is annuity? An annuity is a series of equal payments made at an equal interval of time. Example of annuity is shop rental, insurance policy, installment payment, and so on. Equal payments are deposited or paid periodically over time. Future value of an ordinary annuity certain is the sum of all the future value of periodic payment. Formula for future value is S equal R in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 over I. While to find the interest earned or paid from the investment or loan in the annuity, you can use the formula I equal S minus NR, where S is maturity value and NR is the total payment. But you should be careful about the periodic payment term because the periodic payment term must be equal to the frequency of conversion. For example, if the nominal rate compounded semi-annually, the periodic payment must be every 6 months. While present value, the present value or initial value of an ordinary annuity certain is the sum of all the present value of the periodic payments. Formula to find present value is A equal R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative N over I. And to find interest charge for present value is I equal NR minus A. Question 4A. Nadia purchased a car Rm 150,000. She needs repayment in equal monthly payment over 9 years at 7% compounded monthly. Find the equal monthly payment and the interest charge. First step is to extract important information from the statement. By this first, we know the Rm 150,000 is the present value. After that, the term is 9 years at 7% compounded monthly. We have to find R, what amount is. By this statement, here we have released all the important information. By using this formula, we have to put 150,000 equal R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.07 over 12 to the power of negative 108 over 0.07 over 12. So we will get the equal monthly payment, which is R equal 1,875.94 cents. After that, we have to find the interest charge by using the formula I equal NR minus A. So I equal 108 multiply 1,874.94 cent minus 150,000. Calculate all this using a calculator, so we will get the answer I equal RM 52,601.52 cents.
Question 4b. 3 years ago, Sarah deposited 1,500 every 3 months into a saving account that earns an interest rate of 9% compound quarterly. She spent the whole balance in the account to make a deposit for her registration at private university. Question 1. Find deposit amount that Sarah paid for her registration at a private university. For this question, the formula is A equals to R open bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power negative n divide I close bracket. In order to find n, the formula would be m times t, which is 4 times 3 equals to 12. Meanwhile, in order to find I, k must be divided by m, which 0.09 divided by 4 equals to 0.0225. Next, n and I will be inserted in the formula. So it will be 1,500 open bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.0225 close bracket power negative 12 divide 0.0225 close bracket. The final answer would be 15,622 and 70 cents. Next, question 2. Find the interest earned from her saving. The formula is I equals to NR minus A. So 12 in bracket 1,500 minus 15,622 and 17 cents. And the answer is 2,377 and 83 cents. The last question is, upon studying in the university, Sarah obtained a loan of 70,000 at an interest rate of 5% compound monthly. She promised to repay the debt through monthly installment over a period of 10 years. Determine the monthly payment amount. So the formula is A equals to R open bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power negative n divide I close bracket. So 70,000 equals to R open bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 1 over 240 power negative 120 divide 1 over 240. The total in bracket would be 94.281. So 70,000 equals to R in bracket 94.281. And the final answer is 742 ringgit and 46 cents.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching our video.